All right, so for our first time login to the system, we are going to use, right now I'm looking at the Chrome Web Store app. I also have the Google Play Store app that I will show you, but your email is your 6-digit ID at hananiga.org. So for our purposes of this, I'm using my splash test email at hananiga.org. And then the password is the same password you created in your invitation email. It had a capital letter, a lowercase, and a number. And then we log in. Now, it didn't take it that time. Let's try this again. Maybe I misspelled something. There we go. So if you're on the Chrome Web app, you would log in, you would see whatever computers that you are assigned to you. You will see computer availability based off of what classes you are enrolled in. So if you are enrolled in a class that takes place in a specific lab, or maybe you're a student that is enrolled in 2 classes that take place in 2 different labs, you will be able to see the computers. Now, your teachers are handling how computers are assigned, because obviously we don't want you connecting to a computer that a student is physically in the building connected on. So I'm going to leave that up to your teachers. But in your Chrome Web app, or the Chrome-based app, you have this view where it's going to say connect, and then you would connect to the computer, and that's a separate video that I'm going to show you in that connection, because there will be another verification process. However, if you first sign in your Google Play app, you might be greeted by a screen that looks like this. You can see in the back of that's grayed out that's my test email, my password, and it says authentication required. We send an email to splashtest@hananiga.org. So you have to actually go to your email. So I recommend when you're doing this first sign in that you have your Chrome window open. So I'm going to go to here. So this is where we have Splashtop login authentication action required. All we need to do is click on authenticate this device. Once we've done that, we can close that. We can go back to the app. We click OK, and we just click login again, and then it will let us log in. Now, this is the view in the Google Play Store. So it's not as straightforward as that connect, but when you click on an icon, it is going to take you to start trying to log in. So if you just click on it, it will try to log in. So we're going to close out of that. That's a different video. The same authentication email will most likely happen if you are using the Windows 10 application in order to log in. That is your first login. That's a quick view of what the computers look like. And then we're going to go through your first login to an actual computer in the building using the Splashtop app.